To me, this is one of the best value rooms at Heathrow. Obviously we've got a nice lovely bed. We've got our tea and coffee. We are at an airport, of course. So it's in a flight case. Tea and coffee there. We've actually got a telephone down to reception, which is always a good thing. Hairdryer, luggage, extra pillows, huge TV, big full length mirror, chair and table. Spotlessly clean. It's not an old hotel by any means, but spotlessly clean shower and a monkey. And to me, the best thing is outside the window we have Heathrow Airport. That's the famous Renaissance Hotel, which would cost you 3 times the money, or twice the money at least. I paid £62 for this tonight, and the Renaissance will be about 120, 125. So there you go, the Ibis Styles, a budget hotel. This is room 406. That's a Logan Air ATR, just taking off. There we go. So the Ibis Budget Styles, Heathrow Airport. Very easy to get around on the buses. It's the 423, which will take you to and from Terminal 5. There we go, the buses. Cheers, thanks for watching. If that's useful, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, follow me for more.